Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making lotus root soup with pork ribs. Without further ado, let's get started. Take 300 grams of lotus root, peel it, and cut it into diagonal chunks. Pop these into some cold water to keep them fresh. Then, we'll cut up 500 grams of pork ribs into bite-sized pieces. Slice up 10 grams of ginger and cut 10 grams of green onion whites into sections. Fill your pot halfway with water and give those ribs a quick blanch. This helps remove any impurities and gives us a clean, clear soup. Listen to that bubbling. Once done, drain and give them a good rinse. Fresh water in the pot. Add those cleaned ribs back in, along with our ginger and green onions. Cover and let it simmer on medium heat for 15 minutes. Oh my goodness! Can you smell those amazing aromas already? Add those lotus root pieces to the pot. Cover and let everything simmer on low heat for an hour. This is where the real magic happens. The lotus root gets tender and absorbs all those wonderful flavors from the broth. Finally, season with 10 grams of salt and a pinch of pepper. And there you have it, a gorgeous, nourishing soup that's packed with flavor. Friends, you must try our lotus root soup with pork ribs. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.